Okay. Screen protector install. We got a OnePlus 6 cellular telephone device, and it's got a cracked screen. Super cracked. Actually, I can't tell if you can see it in the picture, but it is. So we've got a Sparin brand glass screen protector, and these are supposed to be pretty dope. That's what I had on here before, and it lasted about 4 months, but got cracked right here, just dropped, and then spiders everywhere. So they are pretty tough until they're not, and then they break spectacularly. But the whole point is you pull it off, and it's fine. So you've got, it's glass-ish. It's more like a fancy plastic, but I don't know if I even should break this in my hand now that I'm trying it, because I'll probably just end up hurting myself, but I want to try it. Oh, shit! That is dramatic. I have like probably a bunch of glass shards in my hands now. I don't know if you can see that. Shit, that was cool. My hand feels like I've got glass in it now. I probably shouldn't have done that. Alright, well, we'll just go ahead and not recommend doing that again. That was stupid. Oh, there's like glass all over the table. Whoops. That's not great. Alright. Fucking whoops. Don't break those things recreationally. Holy Christ. Oh, so it's like really glass. So now I just have glass bits everywhere. Whoops. I think I just sucked up my... I don't know. Shit, I don't know. Alright, here. We'll just let that go for now. Alright. So, we've got phone, naked phone. Step 1, wash and dry your hands. I did that. So actually step 1, we're going to wet wipe the screen and then microfiber it. So it comes with this guy. So we're just gonna go ahead and make a huge mess. It's like the little wet wipe you get at a barbecue wing joint. I can't open it. There we go. Okay. It'll clean all the business. Get it all. It's gonna be the cleanest, bestest install ever. It looks super clean. We're gonna use compressed air, even though that's not technically one of the steps. Okay. Microfiber cloth. Trying to get my oily fingers on it. Like waxing a car, we want long runs at the end. Hopefully that'll be good. It looks really good. Alright. Oh man, the screen protector. I really fucking went crazy on that one. That might have been a mistake. Alright. Now, step 2, remove any remaining dust with the dust absorber. So I feel like because this is perfect, I shouldn't bother, because I'll end up introducing something instead of leaving it alone. but I should do it for the video because they include it as a tool. So it's a little sticky, and I'm just going to run it across the deal. Stop turning on. Oh my god, stop turning on. Okay. I'm not convinced I didn't just touch it with my fingers, so I'm gonna do the microfiber again. And the air. Alright, this is gonna be the cleanest phone screen installation ever. Okay. Put the alignment frame onto the device. Has the little horseshoe cut out for the camera. Should be dope. Peel off the protective film from the screen protector. Do not touch the adhesive side. Well, of course not. So here's a new screen. It only has one. Blowing it with air is probably pointless because if it's stuck to it, it's stuck to it. Align the top of the screen protector against the alignment frame and make sure the cutouts are aligned properly before you place the screen protector down. So it's going to go cutout side first. Press the center top of the screen protector to take off the, okay, so, alright. Watch the little air bubbles go. So now we're gonna do press on the center top of the screen protector to take off the alignment frame. Okay, the frame is off. Push forward. Push forward the hard scraper firmly from top to bottom to make sure the screen protector is fully adhered. So this is the scraper. You basically just want to work out any air pockets. They're pretty visible. Of course there's a big air bubble here. Why wouldn't there be? Come on, don't be one of those shitty ones. I don't think anybody's ever actually put on a screen protector successfully ever in the history of mankind. I'm not convinced it's possible. Oh my god, it's like not possible. So I've got top to bottom, all good, and then there's just this corner. What the hell? It's not possible. How has anybody ever installed a screen protector? I have to be so hard on it that it's just gonna crack the screen itself. Oh my god, it actually lifted. There's still such a tiny, it's like lifting. How is it lifting? So I actually got it smaller and it got worse. Oh, so it's just traveling around. Scientifically, this should not be possible. Come on. There's one little bubble there, and my brain is not going to be able to leave it alone. All right. I think I did it. But of course, if I actually say that out loud, it's not gonna recover. Alright, I think we are good to go. That's just way too much work. It's not even satisfying. If something takes a lot of work, but it's satisfying, I let it slide. This is just crap. Where did I put this thing? Here. Some crud inside my jelly protector case. I should probably clean up. Cool. And clean up the camera. And it's perfect. Oh, damn. Tight. Alright. And that's how you do that.